Hi guys, this is the coolest anger management treatment in town with 2 levels of difficulty. WABI-SABI, a Japanese game of imperfection. We chose 2 angry volunteers. Let's do it, guys. Our anger meter shows 80%, so we can start rolling the dice. Lucky number 2, the tough one, went to the guy. Let's open the box now. So, we have a small black sacket, glue, a spatula, a piece of sandpaper, a painting kit and the instructions guide. Our volunteers look angry enough to smash the sackets. Next, what you need is a glass of water and scissors. You cut open the sacket, put the gloves on, and take out the broken pieces. Then you paint them, answer your phone with the case, and then you glue the pieces together. That's all, folks. This is the first volunteer's masterpiece. And this is the one of the second volunteer. As you can see on the boxes, we have level 1 and level 2. Good luck and have fun!